This is sketchy. We got the fuel tank sitting here on a barrel on some lumber. Hopefully that thing stays there. I put maybe an inch of fuel in it, not very much. Hooked the fuel line back up. I did have fuel running out of there. I have a catch pan underneath the overflow here for the injectors. I don't know if I'm going to see fuel out of that or not. I just might. I had to hook the power back up, but let's see if the throttle works. The only thing I don't have is the tack. That's in the dash way up there, and I'd have to hook the cable up and all that. So I'm gonna try to I'm just gonna judge the RPMs by sound. Maybe I'll put the stack on so it sounds like what I'm used to. It's just I know what it used to know what it sounds like. That on there, so we'll try to keep it consistent. So let's see if it starts. Nope, I don't have a throttle kill, so I'm gonna have to kill it by manual there. Whew. Man. I'm gonna call that a win. I'd like to go find me some little 1/4-inch washers to put between the cotter pin and those ears. I only have 5/16, but just to keep the cotter pin from wearing, I'd like to put some flat washers in there. I don't have those. Supply closet let me down. I should say I had some, but they were 5/16 washers in the wrong bin. So I got to clean out that bin, put them in the 5/16. So I need some 1/4-inch flat washers. I got to put 1, 2, 3 cotter pins in. I got to grease the pin that the pedal is on. Pretty much wrap this project up. I think I'm just gonna call this macaroni. I borrowed that phrase from Daryl. We're gonna call this project macaroni. I probably won't post this video after I'm driving it around, playing around with the foot throttle, but for now, I ran out of time today. I'm gonna go in the house, but flat washers, cotter pins, put the fuel tank back in, put all the tin work back on and everything, and put the steering wheel back on. So that's it for today. I'll check back with you guys as soon as probably in the next video. I'll be driving it. So okay, got all the sheet metal back on, got the hood on. Let's take it for a ride. Let's see how the foot throttle works. Okay, so there we go. Foot throttle works good. I'm real happy with that. Actually moves really easy. I was thinking it might actually be a little tighter than that and a little harder to push it down, but it goes really easy. But the weight of the pedal doesn't push it down. So at this point, I'm just gonna try it. If anything, maybe put a little stiffer spring on it to give that pedal a little more resistance. It goes down really easy, but man, I haven't even driven it at all. The next thing I want to do, I'm not going to take the camera with me. I want to run it down the road. This weekend is the ride around Charcoal Corral. What is that? Silver Lake over there. And I got a bunch of people that want to go, so I'm going to hook onto my parade wagon back here. And I'm going to run this thing down the road in parade speed. I got to be honest, I've never driven this tractor on the road. It's always been hauled out of here. Every time I've needed it, I've never driven it on the road. So gonna run it down the road real quick, make sure we're all good there, and then guess we're good to go for this weekend. So thanks for watching my video. I'm gonna end it here. Who knows what my next project's gonna be, but stay tuned. Thank you guys.